How incredible will your life be if you start making hundreds of thousands every day from dropshipping with zero capital? Yes, it's absolutely possible, and that is what I'll be sharing with you in this video. I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to start a dropshipping business with zero capital. Most of the times when people hear about dropshipping, they associate it with Shopify, but in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a whole new way you can do dropshipping without using Shopify, without spending any dime or stressing yourself with all the technology, trying to design your page and all that. So if you're looking to make money this year, then this video is for you, and I recommend that you watch the video to the end so that you don't miss any of the information that I'm going to be sharing in this video, because all the information I'm going to be sharing in this video is going to guarantee you success in this business. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go over to gg.ng or Facebook Marketplace or any other platform, and then you start from there to search for product that resonates with you, that you can sell to people and make money from it. Now, here is the thing. When you get to those platforms, you're going to search for products that are of high value. That is product that most people will love to have or love to buy when they see the advert or when they see you post it. And then the price should be very, very considerate, so that by the time you add your own commission, people will still be able to afford it, and then you'll still be able to make good profits. You understand what I mean, right? You understand, right? So let's just go ahead. Let me show you how to search for products that are of high value and a very, very low price. So let's say you come over to Facebook. So this is Facebook. You click here, Facebook Marketplace. If you're using your mobile, just click the same icon on your mobile and then you get to this place. If it doesn't have your location on default, you can come here and select your location. So you just come here and type whatever location you are in. If it's Lagos, if it's New York, just go ahead and select your location and then click on it and hit OK. It's going to start showing you all the products within that location. So what you need to do next is to search for the product you would like to sell. If you're a lady and you want to sell items for ladies, then you go ahead and search for items for ladies. It could be bangle, it could be earrings, it could be wristwatch, it could be anything, right? For guys, the same thing, and if you want to sell for guys, the same thing. So if you see anyone that gets your attention, like this sneakers, for instance, is going for 10,000 naira. So you can sell it anywhere around 15,000 naira and still make huge sales. But what you need to do first is to negotiate with the seller and try to beat the price down. Then in turn, that will increase your number of sales. And talking about sales, I'm still going to share with you how you're going to sell these things easily, super fast, easily. It's going to sell out like very fast. So just stay with me as I walk you through the process. So now you have found the product or products you want to sell, and you have negotiated with the seller or sellers, and you have a very good price. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you get a HD quality pictures from them. Tell them to send you the samples of the product so that you can take a very good look at them, assuming you do not tell them that you're doing dropshipping. But whether or not you tell them, they want to make sales and you're going to be helping them make sales, so it doesn't really matter. So just use your discretion for that one. So make sure you get HD quality of the picture so that when you start posting it on your social media platforms, it will still retain good quality. Then the next step is the selling process. I like keeping it simple. Very simple. I like keeping things very simple. I don't like complications, especially for startups, especially when you're just starting out. I'm not going to bore you with all the technicalities of setting up a Shopify account, which is going to cost you a lot of money and maintenance charges and all whatnot, right? So if you're not going to be selling on Shopify, or if you're not going to have a website or run ads anywhere, where do you sell? Ta-da! WhatsApp. Before you scroll away from this video, just calm down and listen real good. Now, I know you must have tried selling on WhatsApp and then it seems like you're not making any sales or any tangible sales. Hear me out. The strategy I'm going to be sharing with you is a strategy that most of my students are using to make millions of naira on a monthly basis just selling on WhatsApp. And I'm going to be having them on this channel in the nearest future, so you don't want to miss that, because they're going to be sharing every detail step by step of how they started earning over $1 million every month on just WhatsApp alone. No ads, right? So these are the things that we're going to be sharing on this channel in the nearest future. So if I were you, I will click on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification so that you don't miss any of the videos when it comes up, and videos like this as well, so that you don't miss things that will make you making money, right? I know when I mentioned selling on WhatsApp, I know your mindset will be like, I don't even have views. I usually get like 20 or 10 views on my WhatsApp stories. So how am I going to be making sales? See, In the course of this video, I'm still going to share with you how you can grow your WhatsApp contact for free and start getting over 1,000 views on every of your WhatsApp status. So this strategy is something that I've used in the past and currently use, and it works like magic. So I'm still going to share that with you in the course of this video. So please stick around and watch to the end. Don't be in a hurry because I'm going to be breaking all these things down because I don't want to leave you halfway. So what is the strategy we're going to be using to sell on WhatsApp? It's very simple, nothing complicated. You're not going to be uploading or bombarding people with product pictures. That, for me personally, it annoys me. Please let me know in the comment section if you get angry when you see maybe your friends posting their products and all that, and like 100 slides, all products. Like, is it only me? I refuse to believe that it's only me that gets angry when I see a friend. I want to check their status and I'm seeing product. Easy on us, right? So let me know in the comment section if you feel the same way, because I refuse to believe that I'm just the only person feeling like this. I refuse to believe that, right? So what you're going to be doing, we're not going to be doing any of that. We're not going to be spamming people with our products. We're not even going to be sending a broadcast message. What we are going to do in the first few weeks of starting our business is to establish that this is what we now do. This is what we have and this is what we are doing. So you are very free to start posting the product regularly. Don't post like 1 million pictures at a go. No, take it bit by bit. You can share 4 pictures in the morning, 4 pictures in the afternoon, and 4 pictures in the evening, and then in between the pictures you add whatever your personality is. If it's meme, you share meme in between the pictures. If it's motivational, you share motivational in between the pictures. If it's inspirational or Bible quotes or stuff like that, you just share it in between the pictures. If it's a picture of yourself, just share it in between the pictures. Don't stack all the products together because it will be boring to watch. So let people get engaged with you. And even if you're going to be sharing the 4 pictures in the morning and 4 pictures in the afternoon, it shouldn't be the same minute. You can share 2 pictures by 8 a.m. for instance, and then by 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. you can share another 2 pictures, and I'm making it 4 pictures for the morning, depending on the number of pictures you have anyway. And then you do the same thing for afternoon. You share 1 picture by 1 o'clock, share another 1 picture by 1:30 or 2 o'clock, share another 1 picture maybe by 2:30, and then share another one maybe by 3 o'clock, and so on and so forth. This is because you need to offer value for people to keep watching your status. Because for me personally, there are a lot of people that I know one-on-one that I don't even view their status again, because all they share on their status is just product. I already know that you're selling that stuff, and whatever it is that I need that product, I can always come to you and say, I need this thing, do you have it? And then you sell it to me. But constantly bombarding us and spamming us with your products won't make us buy. It won't change our mind, right? So what you need to do is you need to try as much as possible to make sure that people view your status. So you need to find a way to engage them. You need to find a way to make them come back to your status. If it's motivational that you like sharing, share good, engaging motivational quotes, memes, skits and stuff like that will make someone, whenever they see your status, they want to check it. And in the process of seeing your status, they will see your product. Just run it like a TV show. Just run it like a TV show. A TV show don't just come and start posting adverts and start playing adverts. No, they will give you quality. They will give you value first. And after the first few minutes, they will now play an ad. Run your WhatsApp story like that and you will make a lot of sales. But that's not all. This is the first stage. Now, when you have successfully done this and established in people's mind that you do this for a living, this is what you now do for a living, that the products that you have is actually what you now sell for a living. It's not as if you just posted it for 1 day or so. So you need to consistently do this for at least 2 weeks for it to register in people's mind. They know subconsciously that you now sell sneakers or belts or wristwatches or sunglasses or stuff like that, right? Now that you have established that in people's mind, the next thing you need to do is to go over to branding and brand yourself. Branding and packaging. This is where you will now cash out. This is actually the part that my students used to use. Ghana must go and carry all the money from their WhatsApp contact. So what you need to do is to position yourself as a successful business person. See, people don't buy products, they buy you. You are who they buy. They buy because of you. They buy because of you. If you watch all these celebrities that do sold out, most people that buy those products don't really need it like that. They are just buying it because they are buying into the mind of the celebrity, into the mind of the influencer or whoever that is promoting the product. So you want to give your contact that same vibe. So you need to take good pictures, good quality pictures, make up or wear good clothes, go to fancy places, take good pictures and post good pictures like you're doing well in your business and business is going well. If you like, buy. If you like, don't buy. Once in a while, you throw in a picture of your business and trust me, people will come crawling to you. People will come begging you to sell your product to them. People like associating themselves with success. So when you appear successful, they are going to definitely associate with you. And by associating with you, they want to buy from you. They want to engage with you, whatever it is that you're selling. And this is not restricted to physical products. You can actually sell services, you can resell services, you can resell other people's services. You can contact me and resell some of my courses and you get paid for it. Like, it's that easy, right? Now, to make serious sales on WhatsApp, you need loads of contacts. Growing on WhatsApp can be very difficult if you don't know how to go about it. But I have 2 ways that you can grow your WhatsApp contacts super fast. However, I'm going to be sharing just one method in this video because the second method is more like, a trick, and I don't know if it will align with YouTube's rules and regulations, right? In order to be safe and keep this our precious tutorial safe, I'm going to be making another video strictly for that WhatsApp contact growth. I'm going to go into details on how you can grow your WhatsApp contacts to over 500 contacts on a daily basis. But that is a hack and I don't want to share it in this video so that they don't take this precious video down and then you will not get to learn how you can do dropshipping for free, right? So if you'd like to learn how you can grow your WhatsApp contacts with over 500 contacts on a daily basis, then let me know in the comment section and I'm going to do a dedicated video for that. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please, you might want to do that now so that you will not miss out on the video when I upload it. I'm going to be doing a dedicated video just for that. And if WhatsApp eventually takes it down, I know that it's just that video that I took down and not everything that has to do with the dropshipping video. Right? So moving on, let me quickly share the first method of how you can grow your WhatsApp contacts super fast. Now, the way you're going to do this, you have to be very cautious of it. You have to be intentional about it. And what you need to do is you need to remove any form of shyness because, come on, we're talking about money right here. We're talking about money. So you're going to remove any form of shyness that you have. And what you're going to be doing that every day, you take it at a point of call, a decision, an intentional decision to get at least a minimum of 20 contacts every day. Usually, I advise my students to just do nothing less than 50 contacts every day, and getting these contacts very easy. If you're still in school, it's super easy for you. Just go into your school, talk to people, tell them what you sell, and exchange contact. And make sure they save your number there and then, and also save theirs there and then. You can even say hi on WhatsApp immediately just to get things started. And then, if you're not a student, the next option for you is to leverage on your religious center, maybe your church or mosque or wherever you worship. You can actually exchange number with people there because they already know you, so it will be super easy. And then the next one is going to parks, malls, and places that people actually gather in large numbers. So go there and exchange numbers with people. Maybe you have a flyer. Even if you don't have a flyer, use word of mouth and explain what you do and exchange numbers with them. Why I love this method is because it's organic and then you are going to select the kind of contacts that you want. So you're most definitely going to be going for your prospective clients, right? So if you are selling male clothes, you don't have any business talking to ladies, right? Get their numbers, right? If you're selling female clothes, you don't have any business talking to guys, although you can still get them. They can buy for their spouses, their girlfriends, their boyfriends, their husbands, their wives, and so on, right? But your primary target should be your direct target audience, right? When you get the numbers, make sure you get at least a minimum of 20, 50 contacts every day. And then you can leave offline and then come online. Move to the DM of your target audience, talk to them, let them know what you sell, have a profile, use your business page, ask for their contacts, exchange contacts, and have them on WhatsApp. And then you keep updating your WhatsApp, and then follow the procedure that I mentioned earlier. First, you need to let them know what you do, how you do it, and everything, and then you need to storm them with the finesse. The finesse is the finesse that will now turn them from just a random WhatsApp status viewer to a customer. Trust me, it has worked 1,001 times with all my mentees, and it's definitely going to work for you if you try it. And talking about making money online, I recommend that you go watch this video next to learn more ways you can make money online using just your smartphone. Trust me, you're definitely going to love this video and it's going to make you a lot of money. Go watch it now and see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.